Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create point feature class by using XY coordinates table. Okay, now I have opened in the ArcMXD, so I will add data. Click this one. This is the XY table. I will add it. Here there is no data. First, before going to, I will open attribute. Here only it is available attributes value. X coordinates, Y coordinates. This XY coordinate using we will create point feature class. Okay, now select XY table and right button. Here display XY data, click that. Here in this table where it is available XY coordinates, okay, field name we have mentioned here point X, Y field. Next here click OK. See, before there is no point features here. Now here generated. How? From XY coordinates we created point features. Okay. Okay guys. Thank you so much.